Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to enhance video quality using HitPaw. So, buckle up as we embark on this creative journey, unlocking the full potential of your video content. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to online.hitpaw.com. If you are new to the exciting world of HitPaw, I highly recommend starting by creating an account. Don't worry, we've got you covered with a link to a concise video tutorial below if you need a little extra guidance. Now, assuming you have either logged in or freshly created your HitPaw account, you will find yourself on your personalized dashboard, a digital canvas eagerly awaiting your creative touch. In the upper right corner, right next to the upgrade button, you will notice your ID icon. A simple click will transform you or transport you to your dashboard, your command center for all things HitPaw. With your dashboard at your disposal, you will discover a treasure trove of tools, each designed to unlock your creative potential. Today, our focus is on elevating your videos to excellent quality. So, gently hover your cursor over HitPaw Online Video Enhancer and click on Enhancer. Here, you have the option to add your video by clicking the Choose Video button, or for those who prefer a tech-savvy approach, simply drag and drop your video into the designated area. Now, let us dive right into the magic of enhancing your video. Once your video is selected, the transformation begins automatically. No incantations required. Sit back, relax, and let HitPaw work its enhancement while you contemplate the creative possibilities that lie ahead. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. HitPaw's capabilities extend beyond resolution enhancement. It offers a variety of models, each finely tuned to different aspects of your video content. For our demonstration today, I will choose the face model, a perfect match for the video I am uploading. After selecting your preferred model, the anticipation builds as you click the preview button, eager to witness the remarkable transformation. And lo and behold, witness the astounding transformation. It's akin to comparing a rough sketch to a masterpiece as you see the dramatic improvement in clarity and overall quality. The difference is awe-inspiring, and you can savor it fully by clicking the play button to see your creation in motion. Once you are satisfied with the results, the path to download your enhanced video is just a click away. Locate the download button conveniently positioned next to the new upload button and seize your masterpiece for the world to behold. Before we conclude this magical journey, allow me gently remind you that as a free HitPaw user, your credits are somewhat limited. To unlock access to more credits and explore additional options or features, I wholeheartedly recommend considering an upgrade to your plan. To assist you in this endeavor, I have thoughtfully prepared an extensive video guide on how to do just that. So, please make sure to check it out. It is the key to fully unleashing HitPaw's extraordinary potential. With that, we wrap up this comprehensive tutorial on converting standard videos into breathtaking quality using HitPaw's Online Video Enhancer. It's not just about enhancing video, it is about unlocking your creativity and taking your content to new heights. Thank you for joining us on this artistic journey, and we eagerly anticipate the stunning videos you will create. I hope this guide has been incredibly helpful to you, and we look forward to see you in our next video.